Wuhan Yimatong Technology Co. Limited was established in 2017. It is a national high-tech enterprise specializing in the research and development, manufacturing and sales of one-dimensional code, two-dimensional code and OCR recognition technology. It has more than 40 intellectual property rights, is good at reading various special barcodes, and solves various scanning problems for customers. Two-in-one product can scan RFID tags and common one-dimensional and two-dimensional codes. Various barcodes can be clearly read for laser printing on the metal surface. There are some scanning products specifically for drug traceability codes that can scan multiple barcodes at a time, which can improve work efficiency. It can easily identify ID cards, passport OCR codes and various paper barcodes. Some long-distance barcode scanners are widely used in parking lots and highway toll collection. In addition, also have some products suitable for outdoor use that can quickly and accurately identify various paper codes and screen codes even in strong light, which is very easy to use. Our products can work in an environment of -40 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. There are also suitable products for barcodes in motion, which are very ideal for factory assembly line equipment. If you want to know more about our product, please contact us.